Namaste student, खुश रहो बिटिया। I J Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session we are going about discuss the topic corporate sustainability and the corporate social responsibility and the philanthropic. Now, so let's start the topic. The corporate sustainability. The terms and corporate sustainability and describe a new corporate management model. It can also fall under the broader and terms environmental, social, government. The corporate sustainability and emphasis growth and the profitability through initials and the business and practice in the three areas of the society. The global is to provide long-term values for stockholders and without the comparison peoples, the planet or the company economy. Let's and dive deeper and into the three pillars of the corporate sustainabilities. The first one is the environmental pillars, and the environmental pillar is the often and the most talked about of the three pillars of corporate sustainability, and it includes the various actions companies and can take to reduce on their environmental impact and carbon footprint. For example, including the reducing packaging and waste and the reducing water uses and recycling materials and the using sustainable energy source. Now the social pillar. The social pillars focus on the companies and seeking the approval of its stockholders and the employees and the local community. A big part of the corporate sustainability is a company's and determinations and to taking good care of the people and inside and outside of the business. The social and pillars practice and include the estimating and child labor, the offering paternity and the maternity leaves and giving back to the community. The economic pillars and the economic pillars involve and implementing and the sustainable business practice to promote long-term profitability. And after all, the companies cannot have to have a positive impact on the environment or community if it is not profitable. Now, environment elements of the economic and pillars include and the compliance and good corporate governance, the meaning, the value of the stockholders and management elegant, and in terms of how to spend and resource. The economic pillars and makes it possible for a company or stationarize and invest in the new corporate sustainability and methods. All that sets and no one pillars and should overshoot the others and business get and cut trying to cut and concerns and increase profit unethically. Now, so discuss the what is the corporate social responsibility. The corporate social responsibility is a broader and concept than corporate sustainability. In a short, the helps a company be socially and accountable to itself, its stockholders, and the public. A company that engages in the CSR operates in a way that enhance and society both locally and globally. The CSR is long-term and stationary, that is never temporary and always evolving. The in known for the upholding and exceptions and standards of corporate social responsibility. The company sells an ethical sauce and coffee and the happening and promotes its global farmers and network Starbucks, and also developed a ground banking college achievement plan and designed the exclusives for employees. The CSR has multiple facts, and not all organizations can invest in all of them. The global is not to invest in the every incentive and possible. Start small by making a chance in your organizations and community. The corporate social responsibility is a management concept and whereby companies integrates and social and environmental concerns in their the business and the operations and interactions with their stockholders. Now, the CSR is generally understood as being the way and through on which a company achieves a balance of economic, the environmental and social imperative, while at the same time addressing the expectations of stockholders and shareholders. In this sense, it is the important to draw a distinctions between the CSR and which can be a strategic business management and the concept and charity and the philanthropy, and even though the latter can also make a valuable and contributions to poverty and reductions will directly enhance the reputations of a company and strengths and is the brand. The concept of CSR clearly goes beyond that. The philanthropic and corporate social responsibility. The anthroporic and the social responsibility go beyond and simply operating as ethically as possible as involved actively and the bettering society. This type of corporate social responsibility is the frequently associated with donating and the money to charities and with many businesses and supporting particular charities and that are the relevant to their businesses in some ways. However, the philanthropic CSR does not only refers to clearly and donations other common philanthropic and responsibility includes and the investing in the community or participating in local projects. The main intentions is to the support a community in some way that goes beyond just hiring. By investing in the community, the business encourages and loyalty from the employees and while less and be benefiting from and improve and support the system. The corporate philanthropy also serves and as a way of the representing a company's the commitment to society, demonstrating stating that the value of community and beyond is simply providing a workforce on the source of revenue. For example, the business might and offer their employees the opportunities and voluntarily and with the local charities during the working hours or through matching gift. The programs and where workers and donations to charities are matched by the company. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss the problem solving. Thank you.